what is up everybody? Sammy here. So today we are going to take a quick look at the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G. Okay. I've done a review about the 11 Pro and Pro Plus a few months ago, but this one is the global version. 5G connectivity were very best on local operator capabilities. Open the cover, we see the insert powered by Redmi. Nothing special. Pin, some paperwork, chunky menu, a phone case, a soft one. Feels not bad. And then we have the phone. Oh yeah, special thanks to my friend Sammy for lending me this phone. And again, we see some highlights. 108 megapixel camera, 67 watts fast charging, 120 Hz FHD plus AMOLED dot display, dual speakers, and a Snapdragon 5G processor. What we call it, this gray one? Okay, this gray one. Maybe the official name has some fancy name for it, but this is gray one. It feels not bad at all. And then under that we have the 67 watt fast charger and the Type-C cable. Okay, no need to show that. Now let's get to the phone directly. So for the camera specs, which is listed on the screen, it's basically the same as the Chinese version. As for the design, here we see the watered down one. Here they don't have the JBL tuned speakers. They're just speakers. 3.5mm headphone jack, infrared blaster, noise cancelling mic, volume rocker, and power key. That's also the fingerprint scanner. And on the bottom we see the speaker and the Type-C and also the hybrid SIM card. Ooh, feels really nice. To be honest, I was going to say something bad about this phone, but it feels really nice, man. You see, it's really smooth. Let's check more specs. We have the global version, MIUI 13, and about the MIUI 13, if you want to learn more, you can check out my previous video from here. Nothing too much about the MIUI 13, just add fluidity, fixing some bugs, make the system more usable, and also the smart hub. I mean, connecting your phone with the tab and TV, more connected. Okay, that's kind of shit. Anyway, all specs here: 8 gigs plus 3 gigs expansion. A CPU is Snapdragon 695. And if you want the Antutu Benchmark, here you go. It's a 328K. It's a mid-range or low-end processor, and more detailed CPU, GPU. Okay. And maybe you want to know how does it sound. Okay, I will just play some songs. I cannot feel my legs. And then lastly, the camera. Okay, I'm now recording in 1080p 30 fps with the Redmi Note 11 Pro. It's 5:30 in the afternoon. So I'm gonna walk, just hand hold it. Please let me know if it's stable. Though I didn't find that a stabilization choice in the settings, but I guess it comes with it, right? Come on, it's 1080p 30 fps, should support. I'm running. Run, Forrest Gump, run. Okay, and this is the front camera if you are interested to know. That's the phone. So my conclusion about it, I think this is still a really cheap, budget-friendly 5G phone. You get a decent camera, you get a nice hand feel phone, but compared to the Chinese version, yeah, like the speaker is not tuned by JBL, and the camera is not supporting 4K. It only supports 1080p 30 FPS, not even 60 FPS. So that's a big downside. That's a bummer. But overall, if you're okay with that, then this is a good phone. Actually, I was going to say something bad about this phone, but when I hold it, it seems really good. You see the design is a nice one, though it's more or less inspired by the iPhone, but it's really good one. The hand feel, the back panel, this matte finish does not got the fingerprints and smudges, feels smooth, premium, yeah. And this feels really good actually. So I would definitely recommend you buy this if you are a Xiaomi fan. Okay, that's the unboxing anyway. Okay, bye bye. That's my first impression.